Hi friends, welcome to Aravilam. In this video we are going to recreate this presentation. So I'm going to run this presentation. See, here we can see all the slides we have created in one screen. When I click on this, it will go to the slide, and when I click on this again, it will come back to the first slide. So here we are not using any hyperlink, we are using a zoom option. So now we are going to recreate this animation in a PowerPoint. Let's see how to create this. Now let's open a blank presentation, go to file menu, click on blank presentation. Now I'm going to delete this. Okay, now we are going to create one full circle. So please check whether it is a full circle or a oval, because here you can see height and width. Please, both are same. Now we are going to subtract this with the rectangle. For example, I'm going to select the circle and I'm keeping the circle in the exact half. Select the circle, select the rectangle and click on subtract. Now you can see we are getting a semicircle now, and again we are going to cut this circle into half. Okay, select the circle, select the rectangle, subtract this. Now you can see it is exactly same again. Okay, so both are 6.1, 6.1. First make sure you are getting a equal height and width so that you can create a full circle in a first slide. Okay, so now you can increase your circle size based on your requirement. Okay, I'm going to make them 12 centimeter height, 12 centimeter width. Let's try this. Yes, it is good now. And I'm going to remove the outline here. And if you want to change the color, yes, you can make the changes. And insert one text box. So I'm going to give white color for the text. And create one text box again. And create your slide title. You can give the same color for your text also. Okay, now our first slide is ready. So I'm going to take a copy of this and I'm going to rotate this 90-degree left. So now you can see our first slide and third slide is ready. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps for other slides also. Okay, now our 4 slides are ready. Now I'm going to create a zoom in one slide. So insert one blank slide on the top. Go to insert menu, go to zoom menu, click on slide zoom. Here you can see all the slides we have created. So select all the slides, click on insert. Now we can see all the slides are here. Now we have to align this in such a way it look like a one slider. Okay, now you can see this slide is look like a one slider. One, I'm going to select the zoom here. Go to zoom menu. Here there is a checkbox called return to zoom. Select this option. Now let's run the slide. Click on it. Click on it. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.